Hey everyone, Canon's considerate response to the demands of today's hybrid creators, those seeking a small, portable, video-focused mirrorless camera that strikes a balance between performance and portability, is the EOS R50V. This V model, which was developed as a near relative of the original EOS R50, focuses more on video production and content creation, making it particularly popular among vloggers, streamers, and social media content makers. The EOS R50V maintains a lightweight and practical physical design. Its small and manageable design, weighing only about 375 grams, makes it perfect for handheld photography, mounting on lightweight tripods, or even used with a gimbal. Although the restricted grip real estate may make prolonged handheld sessions difficult for individuals with larger hands, the ergonomics are surprisingly good for a camera of this size. Accessories like an L bracket or cage from outside manufacturers, such as SmallRig, can provide much-needed stability for that without compromising portability. The R50V adds a number of creator-friendly features in place of the electronic viewfinder found in the regular R50. These include a dedicated record button up front for easy control while vlogging or solo shoots, as well as programmable macro buttons and a front-facing tally light that alerts users when they're recording. Whether you're filming yourself or shooting from above or below, the rotating and completely articulating 3-inch touchscreen with 1.62 million dots is still a standout since it makes it simple to frame pictures at any angle. Additionally, for a small camera, Canon offers a wide range of ports on the R50V. Creators are not constrained by form size thanks to a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with power delivery, a microphone input, a headphone jack, a tiny HDMI output, and a remote port. Although the micro HDMI connector isn't as robust or well-liked as a full-size HDMI port, it's still a reasonable compromise considering the size restrictions. Canon's EOS R50V is powered by a 24.2 megacils APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digi-C X processor. From a 6K capture, this combination produces crisp stills and oversample 4K video at 30p, providing crisp information with little artifacts. Its inherent support for vertical video is one of its most notable video-centric features. It's ideal for Instagram and TikTok because it has a 1/4 20 thread on the side and can rotate the user interface completely when the camera is angled vertically. Additionally, Canon offers digital picture stabilization, which lessens camera shake when recording handheld. When combined with a stabilized lens, it performs well, even if it is not as reliable as in body stabilization. There are many possibilities for video resolution, such as Full HD at different frame rates up to 120 frames per second for slow motion, uncropped 4K at 24p and 30p, and cropped 4K at 60p. Because of these characteristics, the R50V can be used in a variety of video situations, including short films and YouTube videos. The battery lasts decently but not too long. Depending on the conditions, the camera may shoot in 4K for 60 to 90 minutes with the LPE17 battery. Carrying extra batteries or using a power bank that delivers power via USB-C is a sensible option for daytime photo shoots. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R50V is a clever, artist-focused successor to the R50. It offers a solid hybrid solution for those that prioritize video-first content without compromising photo quality by fusing Canon's robust image pipeline with contemporary video functionality. The R50V is a good choice if you're looking for a lightweight, multi-purpose, and video-ready mirrorless camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.